Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, January 6th. Hope you guys having a wonderful day here so far. Sorry for the late post here today. I had quite a bit of stuff going on this morning for us. I wasn't able to do it until now, and we're about half hour before close of the market here. So about 1:30 my time, which is normally the bond market closes up at about 2 o'clock my time. So let's kind of touch base here, see what's going on here. We got one item on the economic calendar, and that is market services PMI. So it's kind of a index that gives us a gauge of the service industry. So anything above 50 is considered optimism or expansion. And as you can see in November, it was up 52.2, and it increased slightly to 52.8, which is good news for the service industry for the month of December. So let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are up. They actually started the morning negative. I did kind of see the market earlier on when it first started, and they were in negative. It was kind of a continuation of Friday's after the drone strikes, but then investors kind of got to think about it a little bit further, the ramifications, everything. Things kind of warmed up a little bit for the stock market, and the stock market warmed up a little bit and kind of went up a little bit and ended up closing in positive territory. So as a result, the bond market right now we are up about 2 basis points. So we were actually up a little bit higher. As you can see, we did kind of test it with the stock market where money was going back and forth between the bond market and the stock market. So right now we're up about 2 basis points. So what that means is that we are at the same price and we end up having on Friday. So there is no price difference from what we received by end of the day on Friday. And as you can see here, yields are kind of making a comeback. They did start off much lower, as you can see, just below this 200-day moving average, worked its way up. We're right about the 1.80 range here right now. So that's where it's at right now. All right, so that's pretty much a wrap for the day. Hope you guys had a wonderful day. And if you guys are in California looking to buy a refinance, I'd love to hear from you guys. Just go ahead and please email me or direct message me. You'll get the quickest response via email. And again, love to hear from you guys and talk to you a little bit about your scenarios and how we can help you guys out and get you guys the best loan for your situation. Again, have a great rest of your day. Enjoy, and we'd love to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.